In this math edition, we'll be looking at the determinant of a matrix. Remember to click the subscription button for more updates. So if you are given a matrix A to B, A, B, C, and D, and you have asked to find a determinant, which is a determinant. To solve this, we are going to multiply the diagonal, which is A and B, and A and D, and A and C. So we can say that A determinant is equal to AD minus BC. If you are given a question like this, A is equal to matrix of 1, 0, and 2, 1, and you are asked to find a determinant. Remember, to solve this, we have to multiply the diagonals. First one is A, 1 and 1, and subtract it from the second diagonal. So therefore, A determinant will be equal to 2 multiplied by 0 minus, sorry, 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 0. And this is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So the determinant is equal to 1. This is the final answer. Consider this question. If n is equal to minus 3 minus 1, 2, and 0, you're asked to find the determinant of n. To solve this, remember the rule, multiplying the diagonal. The first diagonal is this minus 3 and 0, and minus 1 and 2 is the second part. So to find the n determinant, this is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 0 minus 1 multiplied by 2. This is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 0 is 0 minus 1 multiplied by 2 is negative 2. And this is equal to 0 plus 2. And the final answer is 2. In the case of a 3 by 3 matrix, assuming we have A to be equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And we are asked to find the determinant, A determinant. To solve this, we have to reduce it to 2 by 2 matrix so that we could apply the previous rule. And to reduce it, we have to apply some rule. Okay. The first thing we have to do is to cancel some parts, which is, let's consider this first row and this part. So where the two lines intersect will be the coefficient. That is, have that A determinant is A into. When we cancel this, then we are left with E, F, H, and I minus. For the second part, we will cancel this row again. So the coefficient now will be negative B, and what is left is this dg. Have d, g, f, and I. And the third part will perform the same trick, which this part and this part. So the two lines all intersect at C plus C. And what is left is this, is D, E, G, H. So at this point, we have reduced it to 2 by 2 matrix. And with this, we can solve. I know you might be wondering, how did I come up with the sign of A, B, and C? Here is the rule. It is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. If you want to solve the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, you need to consider the rule. I use this first part, which is our first row. The first row is this. So the coefficient of this, the sign of the coefficient of this, which is the A, the sign of A here is positive, the sign of B is negative, the sign of C is positive. This is because I use the first row. If I consider other row, then I need to switch to the other sign. Consider this question. If A is equal to 2, 0, 3, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, and 2. And we are asked to find A determinant. So the A determinant will be equal to 2, 0, 3, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, and 2. Remember the trick we performed? The first part, we have to cancel this and this. So the intercept will be 2. This is equal to 2, and what is left is 1 minus 1, 0, and 2 minus. Then we'll cancel this as well, and this. So what is left is this and this part. Then the intercept is 0. So the coefficient will be 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, and 2. and plus the third will be this and this. So what is left is this part, and the intercept will be 3. So the coefficient is now 3, 0, 1, minus 1, and 0. So to solve further, you have this 2 into 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 minus 0 multiplied by minus 1 is 0. Then everything here should be 0 plus 3 into 0 multiplied by 0 will be 0 minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. So this is equal to 2 into 2 minus 0 is 2 plus 3 plus 1. So and this is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So the final answer is 7. So the determinant of the matrix A is 7. Thank you for watching this video. Always remember to click on the subscription button for more updates, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out to us at science-e-learning-academy@gmail.com or Nacerlifa Academy@gmail.com.